Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we got a really unique video. We got two of the most iconic Jeep Wrangler AEV Brutes sitting right in front of us. This one on the left is the double cab AEV Brute. Got a ton of aftermarket AEV goodies. Not only that, you guys, this thing features the 6.4 liter Hemi V8 swap underneath the hood. You also get the 4 doors. Got the OG Savegre wheels. Got an AEV front bumper, aftermarket headlights. Looks like we got IPF off-road lights, Warn winch, and of course, you know, my favorite, I love an AEV snorkel. Even has the heat reduction hood as well. And then over here we got the 2003 AEV Brute single cab. Now this one's been with us for a little bit. We did a full frame off restoration. We also sent this thing off to get repainted. So this is not the original color. We opted for the moss green metallic or pearl coat. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. So I kind of got it sitting out in the greenery, kind of get a ton of contrast with it. And of course, this AEV Brute in front of us has the original, this is like the predecessor, if that's the correct word, to the Pintlers, but these are the AEV Bridgelers. I'll show you these interiors real quick. Everything's original on this one. So you got the original leather seats. This thing even still has the 4 liter inline 6. It is an automatic, but I mean, that still does not hurt how iconic this vehicle is. And then of course you got the double cab Brute. So you get the 4 doors, the painted hardtop with the Freedom panels. This one's gonna be featured in the granite crystal, you guys. Got aftermarket taillights and headlights, receiver hitch. Got your side steps, and I'll go ahead and open up this door and let you guys take a look at the interior on this one. This one is just under 65,000 miles. Got your AEV stitched headrest, and I believe these are called like F1 inspired leather seats. So a very unique interior setup. And then not only that, the rarity of, you know, owning a double cab AEV Brute and also a single cab AEV Brute. You guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments. If you had your pick, which one are you going with? You going with the JK AEV double cab Brute with the 6.4 liter V8? Or are you going for the iconic 2003 moss green single cab AEV Brute? Other than that, you guys, I just wanted to show off some really, really awesome Jeeps. So you guys be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in daily and checking out all of our content. Both of these are for sale, you guys. So if this is something you're interested in, please reach out to us. You can give us a call at 502-537-1738. You can also check out our website. It's going to be crossjeep.com. And to kind of help you guys out, whenever you get to the website, kind of click on the upper left-hand tab, go to boring cars, and that will lead you directly to almost all of our unique AEV builds and some of our custom builds that we have performed right here at Cross Jeep. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.